We can set it for trial. I'm not playing games and I'm not going to accept the disrespect. If you want me to follow this agreement and go along with the plea agreement and you can go on, do your time and be done with it, then we can get that done. But you're not going to show disrespect while we're doing it to me. Do you understand? Victor Campbell, Mr. Parker? Okay.
He knows a lot better than me. He's already in prison for murder. Out of another county.
But he signed it, but he.
Yes, I'm just saying.
Okay.
I don't know how
It could be
he wanted me to say no contest. He wanted to explain the law was to you. Oh, yeah. Did Philip sign them?
Mm-mm.
I'm sorry, Judge. You were taking plea laws, yeah.
Good morning. Are you Victor Charles Campbell Jr.?
Yeah.
Mr. Campbell, I understand that you're already doing time for a murder and that you don't really care about what's going on today.
Saying I plead no contest because he never even went over the indictment with me.
Yeah.
I find that hard to believe. So here's the
To
thing.
actually be honest, I just only been here for like about 30 days. So I got like 3 weeks or 30 days and about 2 weeks of being here.
Here's a picture one here.
Yeah.
So, the nature of the crime, no cause number, and the magistrate, as far as the indictment, I never received one. And due to the fact of the nature of the charge of being from 2018, you have 5 years or 4 years to indict me to actually send that indictment. After
Sir,
I-
the
That's
allegation,
why I'm pleading no contest.
I'm not going to
I
allow.
find guilty. It's fine.
Here's the thing. I don't have to accept any plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can, in that evading arrest or detention case, if you go to trial and you're found guilty, it's habitual. You're looking at 25 to life. We can set it for trial. I'm not playing games and I'm not going to accept the disrespect. If you want me to follow this agreement and go along with the plea agreement and you can go on, do your time and be done with it, then we can get that done. But you're not going to show disrespect while we're doing it to me. Do you understand?
Yes.
So if you want to go forward, we'll go forward. If not, we'll set it for trial. Mr. Smith will get ready very quickly and we'll get your case tried within a month. And it'll be habitual 25 to life. Now, that is cause number 21-36426. That indictment alleges in paragraph 1 that you committed the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from November 28th of 2020.
Yeah.
How do you plead to that charge?
I just pleaded no contest. She didn't want to accept no contest.
How do you plead to that charge? Guilty or not guilty? We're not going backwards, okay? I already told you you're not going to plead no contest.
Guilty or not? You plead guilty or not guilty?
So if I'm telling you no contest, what is that?
It's nothing and it's nothing. You're not allowed. I can take a plea of no contest or I cannot take a plea of no contest. That is up to the court. You're not legally entitled to plead no contest if there's a plea bargain. I'm telling you, if you want me to accept the plea agreement, you're going to plead guilty or not guilty. I've already told you that. I'm not going to tell you again. If I have to tell you again, guilty or not guilty,
I'm saying.
period. That's your, I'm
That's
about
saying
to
that
set
I'm
your
not-
case for
that's
trial.
saying that I'm not. That's basically saying that I'm.
We're not going to
guilty
argue the
or
law.
I'm not, or I'm guilty.
We're not arguing
That's
the law.
basically just saying that I
Doesn't-
state that.
I'm not going to
Go
argue
ahead.
the law
Fine,
with
no
you.
guilty. Just sign. Go ahead.
I
Put it
don't-
as guilty. Go ahead. That's what y'all want anyway. That's
Listen,
fine. I'm cool, man. Just go ahead. and
well,
get
you're
the
not,
guilty.
you're really not being cool and you're making me very frustrated.
Ma'am, I respect your call. Just go ahead and give me the
It,
guilty.
nothing here.
Plead guilty. But
Exactly. And that's,
that.
listen, so Mr.
That's
Campbell,
15.
wow.
I thank you.
Do you want to come sit up here and be the judge? You're so smart.
I don't know. If you needed some help, ma'am, I wouldn't mind.
I feel like I might because I'm not understanding. Mr. Campbell, you're getting a deal to go on count one only, which makes you a repeat. I get that you've been through this before and you understand what's going on, but you're making this more difficult. If you go to trial, you could be habitual. Today, if we take this great plea agreement, it's repeat. I understand that. I've been doing this for 30 years. Okay? Yes or no, please. Do you
I
understand that?
understand what we signed, the document.
Okay, you have to answer out loud, yes or no, so that the record's clear that you understand, that I know you understand what you signed, okay? I'm not trying to, doesn't have to be that difficult. Just get in, get your deal and get out. You're making this way more difficult than it has to be. Do you also understand, if you're not a US citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest could result in your deportation? If you're not a US citizen, could result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law.
So what this is, I don't,
I'm required to ask everyone that. Are you a US citizen?
yeah,
Okay. State tender's number one in each case.
Objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Campbell is not competent?
No, you're.
you said.
I just printed the wrong thing.
She asked me if I thought that there's evidence you weren't. I said, no, there's not. He's confident.
I just printed the wrong stuff. Did I print both of the
You can be.
certifications?
Thing on that, sure.
Blank.
Please.
Okay. All right, Mr. Campbell, I'm going to find in each of your cases that you, Mr. Campbell, pay attention to me for a second, please.
Oh, fell, please. I ain't drinking,
Mr. Campbell, you ready?
Yeah,
In cause number 21-36426, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty and true freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Find that prior conviction true. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive.
so can you say that on record?
I'm on the
Yes.
record.
No, I'm saying say that how long I've been in custody.
I don't know.
I've been
I don't
in
have that
custody going on
information.
5 years.
Okay, you'll get all the credit that you are entitled to get.
3
by law.
months.
And cause number 22-39050, also find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of tampering with physical evidence. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will also receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These two cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time and concurrently with any other sentence that you're currently serving. I have signed a dismissal as part of this agreement in cause number 22-39051. I'm handing you in both of your cases the trial court certifications that shows these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term. You should read that written admonishment. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long it lasts, you can talk with your attorney. You can go back with the bailiff.
So do I get my papers for my time, sir?
Go back with the bailiff.
Is you gonna bring me my papers for my time,
They
sir?
have it in the jail.
Excuse me?
No, they have it at the jail. No. I told you.
You didn't tell me.
Well, he wasn't that bad.
I mean, this one might be difficult, and Judge, this one's really gonna push you over the edge difficult.